Next, I'm going to explain how to install the F1 into your helmet and show you a step-by-step installation process. So the first thing you're going to do is decide whether you should use the metal clamp or the 3M glue plate for your helmet. We recommend, if your helmet has a thickness greater than 5 millimeters, that you should use the 3M glue plate. However, in this video, we're going to be demonstrating the metal clamp. The first thing you need to do is attach the magnetic mount to your metal clamp and attach it to the outside of your helmet. And you can see that's what it should look like once it's attached properly. Next, we're going to attach the speaker unit to the inside of the helmet, but first, let's remove the padding from our helmet. And this is so that we can access the area we need in order to apply the Velcro that the speaker unit will attach to. And if you take a look in here, you're going to try to line it up with where you think your ears are going to fit within your helmet. And do the same on the other side. And once you've done that, you do have the option, if you feel that your speaker unit is not close enough to your ears and you would like it to be a little bit closer in order to hear better, you can attach the pads. Next, we're going to attach the speaker unit itself. And we want to attach the shorter side of the cord closer towards the mount. And the longer side to the mount, to the Velcro that is farther away from the unit. Next, we're going to attach the wired microphone Velcro to the inside of our helmet. I recommend installing this as close to the front as you can without covering your wind duct. Once you've attached the Velcro, you can go ahead and take your wired microphone and attach it to the Velcro. And then you can connect the wire to the wire on the magnetic base which it connects to. Be sure to attach it the correct way up. And we will also connect the wire from the magnetic base to the speaker. Next, we're going to take a look at how to position the wires inside of your helmet. So I recommend taking off the top padding, and we can place the wire connecting to the far side speaker, which is the longer wire, underneath our top padding within our helmet. Next, we're going to put the connection ports behind where our ear padding will go. I found that to be the best in my helmet because there's a little bit of additional space. It might be slightly different on your helmet. Then I'm going to reinsert the padding. And you can see if there's some wires that are still remaining out, you can go ahead and just tuck those in. And you can see there should be no wires hanging out when you're done. And then go ahead and just put the far side pad back in your helmet. And you can take a look what that looks like on the inside. There should be no loose wires. And then when you're done with that, this is what it should look like when it's fully installed. we can take our F1 main unit and attach it to the magnetic base, which I'm a huge fan of because it's very easy to use and also very convenient to remove the F1 from when we need to.